Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the back 40. Okay, I got a confession to make. I got to confess. But right now, before my confession, let's look about the positive. This is Caroline Crabtree monthly and weekly challenge. Okay, so this is her monthly tag challenge. And this is what, I'm doing the little tags. Instead of making it all one journal, I'm making them and putting them in here to hold the months, weeks together. So this is, what I did for March. Opened it up, made the little cards in here with the people for the pictures in the pocket, and put this pocket upside down, stick something there, and put the quote here. Then when you close it, it's got the back with the double pocket, and then the March date on it. And then we just open it up and slide it in for our weeks. Okay, that was 8. This is week 9. On week 9, she did a tag, was what we had to make, or a journaling card. And the 3 items was a Rolodex, bingo, and a vote. So I decorated my pages with the extra stuff that came with the free tag printable. And I made a journaling card, and I used a Rolodex card, and I put the bingo on it, and then I printed out a picture of this old ship and stuck on it and did some stamping. Then I put the number 9 there on the free spot. I put the number 9 there for the week 9. And so that was our week 9 make. So that brings us all, those pages stuck together. Brings us all up to date for our Caroline challenge. And that gets us all good and going. Until next week. Okay, now let's talk about this confession. All right, we had all that wonderful stuff that I said I was going to try to work through tonight to get done. Okay. I've done something I've never done before. I actually threw some stuff in the garbage can. And I've never done that before. Bonnie, I know you'd be proud, but it's really tearing me up. And then I got to where I just couldn't do it no more. So I got this little scrap bin over here, and I just started dumping what I would throw in the garbage can over in the scrap bin. So it's made it off my desk into the scrap bin, and I thought, well, it's good cut ephemera. We'll readdress it later and let it sit there, and if I don't have to pull it out for nothing, I can dump it then. So, anyway, after all this that we've made, I organized it to this little basket. So we're down to just this little basket. But we still have stuff. So I thought, okay, I can't do no more with the same stuff. So I thought I'll set it right here on my desk, and I'll go to use it first. So I did organize this pretty little junk mail came in today, so put it in there. These are my doilies. That's some washi tape. And then so I just, that's my pictures. I put everything up so I could get to see it all there. Real nice, neat, and organized. And we're going to pull from this first. Okay? That's a lot better than it was. I made this. It got to the point where I just quit working in the books and just started trying to make stuff. So I made this and this, and I'm going to quit talking and just flip through this because I'm tired. Just anything from journaling cards to pockets to tuck spots to tags, to cut and make tags, You know, all we got to do is add a little bit more decoration, a little bling, you know, on a journaling page. And we can be pretty good with this. Peekaboo pocket. 3-layered pocket. You know, this is from Camille Craft Design. Julie did. This goes in our basket because this is what we had made before, so it goes in there. Then I took my tear book that we had made last month on Julie's challenge and just started adding little clusters and stuff to it. So let's see. I added the belly bands here on the page because nothing I had really went with these, but I love that paper and I throw it away. So I just added it there. And then, Lord, it just keeps going and going like the Energizer Bunny. Just keeps going and going. I just got a little bored with it, started doing all kind of mess. So, I stayed in the back 2 signatures though. I was really proud about that. Make sure I ain't lying. I did believe I did that. Yes, I did. Okay, I did. So I ain't lying to nobody. Make sure. Yep. Alright. I clusters. I made a few more little cluster spots. I like this paper better than the other side. Made that. There's one on the yellow. I thought that'd be good in our green journal that we're going to be making. There's that one. I think that's it. Yeah, flipped onto the back. Made that one and put a little picture up there. Made this little cluster here and over here. And here for the tag or journaling spot or pocket. Then we did the belly bands back here, and I kind of got tired of the belly bands because that's just not what I wanted to make. These were ideals for belly bands that I stuck in there. So then I took my hearts because I had 1,800 million hearts. Now I love Shabby Dabby Doodah. I just do that. They just up with a spoon. Up with a spoon is what I could do. But I just had 1,800 million of these hearts, and I still got 2 little containers. So I thought, okay, I'm going to make an edge on here because I could make a little belly band, you know. I mean, I could have a little cluster. I could do a lot with this, you know. And it's like a little page edge on this side and that side, and they all match up. But, you know, you can cut them down and use them. They don't have to stay like this. So I did the page edge with all those hearts. And then here's one with the old antique advertisement. Samples of different papers. And I think that's it. That's it. So then I kind of got tired of working in this book. So I went over to the tear book. And I got tired of doing that. So I didn't work in any book. I just made those things that I showed you. And let's see. What else did we do? That was it. That's all I did. Yeah, that's all I did. And from that point, From that point, I just said, okay, I'm going to clean this up. So I went through and cleaned up, pitched what I knew I would never, ever, ever use that was old, just scraps, just cut-offs where the, print didn't print right or where something didn't work correctly. And for some reason, I felt like I need to keep it. So I thought, nope. In the garbage it went because I was tired. Okay, so my confession is over. You saw what I did today, and all I can say is, Dawn at Scrapbook Sage, you are one dynamite woman. You and Miss Bonnie, because y'all can pop that stuff out and wheel that stuff out, and I've been working this whole afternoon, and it's almost the morning time, and I got to go to bed to get up and go to work. And I still have not completed the challenge I had set out because it was just so much stuff. But y'all just crank it out, and I'm so proud of you. And one day when I grow up, I want to be like y'all. Okay, I love y'all. See you on next go round. Bye.